This is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G model, and today we will demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So first of all, it is worth mentioning that if we'll launch the settings, enter the display category and expand the available screen timeout options, we'll realize that the highest we can go in terms of the time value, at least by the default means of the system, is 10 minutes. Therefore, if we would like to be able to set it to never, we will need to use the help of the free Google Play Store app that is called Caffeine. So let's get the Caffeine app itself. Open your Play Store, at the search bar type in Caffeine just like so. That is exactly the app that we are looking for. It pops up at the very top of the list. Now let's download and install it. After that, all that it's left to do is to launch the app itself and make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set, and that will effectively mean that as long as the Caffeine application is active, as long as it is running, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all, no matter for how much time it will be in the idle status, or to put it in other words, for how much time you'll not perform any actions under your display. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.